Good morning,
Morning,
Pipi.
teacher.
How are you? Okay, while waiting for the others, let's listen to some songs first. Mas wait, ka pala. Gusto mo wala. Now let's begin with our class. So please open your page 66. Yes, good job. You can see it on the screen.
566. Okay.
Yes. Yes. All right. Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
All right. So let's begin.
Teacher, yes or no?
Let's go book. Student book.
Student book?
Student book.
Okay.
Okay, so open your book to
Yes.
page 66.
Student book?
Yes. No. The Let's Go student book.
ภาษาเล่มเมื่อกี้ถูกแล้วเนี่ย Yes. Yes or no? มันมีนั่นแหละนั่นแหละก็คิวได้ถูกเอวาอยู่ที่ไหน
Student book.
ที่ทำงานแม่
Okay, so let's begin. Okay, we're going to talk about animals, but before that, we're going to read the conversation between Kate and Andy. The
หน้า
girl
ที่
with the
66
glasses.
ใช่ไหม
Yes.
ใช่ใช่ถูกเลยภาษาถูก
All right. We're going to listen to read the conversation between Kate and Andy. Kate is the girl with the glasses, and Andy is the boy. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
I'm going to read first, and then you're going to repeat after me later. Okay. So Kate said, "What's your favorite color?" Andy said, "Red." "What about you?" Kate said, "I like blue." All right. Favorite means the thing that you like the most. Okay. So when somebody asks you what's your favorite color, that means he's asking about the color that you like the most. Okay. The best color for you. Okay. For Andy, that is red. Red is his favorite color. And for Kate, that is blue. She said she likes blue. Okay, so now repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. Say, what's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
I say favorite.
Teacher, yes or no? No. อีกเล่มหนึ่งภาษาอีกเล่มหนึ่งอีกเล่มหนึ่งกับเล่มหนึ่งโอเคเล่มที่มันมีสีสันน่ะที่มันมีเลข2หรือเลข1เล่มเนี้ยไหนไม่เห็นเลยเพจ
Student
ก็
book.
นั่นไงก็ถูกแล้วนี่ที่เป็นเล่มอ่านน่ะอีกเล่มหนึ่งเนี่ยโอเคเดี๋ยวหาก่อนอยู่แล้วเป็นแบบนี้ไงเจอแล้ว
Okay, so repeat after me, everybody. Say, what's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color? What's
Okay,
the color?
this favorite. Say favorite.
Favorite color.
Good job. Okay, next.
Red.
What about you?
Red. What about you?
Very good. And then she said, I like blue.
I like blue.
Very good. Okay, what about you? What's your favorite color? Okay, Pipi, what's your favorite color? Color. Pipi like the most. You like it very, very, very much. What color? Red, blue, green, yellow, purple.
Orange, yellow.
Okay. Okay, you may mute your microphone. Frap, what's your favorite color? Okay, Dalar, what's your favorite color?
I like blue.
You like blue. Wow. All right. Who else can I ask? Cherry, what's your favorite color? Why did you turn off your camera? Okay, next, let's try Lokjan. Okay, Lokjan, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, Jokun, what's your favorite color? Jokun, what's your favorite color? Ava, what's your favorite color?
Wish.
All right. Good job. Okay, Fasai, what's your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange. Namnung, what's your favorite color?
I like purple.
Again, blue?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. All right. So the favorite color, your favorite color are the colors, or is the color that you like the most. Okay, that's called favorite. Favorite. Oh, wait a minute. We're going back. Let's listen to Kate and Andy how they say that conversation. Okay.
Page 66. Unit 8, Animals. Let's talk. A. Listen and say.
What's your favorite color?
What's
Red.
your favorite color?
What about you? I like blue.
Page 66. Language focus.
What's your favorite color?
Red. What about you?
I like blue.
All right. So now let's go to listen, point, and sing. What's your favorite color?
Page 67. B. Listen, point, and sing. What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color, Ted? My favorite color is red. What's your favorite color, Jean? My favorite color is green. What's your favorite color, Jack? My favorite color is black. What's your favorite color, Sue? My favorite color is blue.
Wow, what a very nice song. What's your favorite color? Okay, Ted's favorite color is red. Jean's favorite color is green. Jack's favorite color is black. And Sue's favorite color is blue.
Okay.
So that's their favorite colors. Now let's do say and act. Ask your friends, what's your favorite color? Okay, since you cannot ask, or maybe you can. Okay, you may just write your favorite color. I like. Okay, write your favorite color. Okay.
Pink.
Page 67. Page 67.
เท่าไหร่ครับพี่เชอร์667
You're going to write your favorite color. Okay, in this part. Okay, in this in the first underline, you're going to write your favorite color. In the second underline, let's just say red. Okay, red. I like red. Red. In the first line, your favorite color. Okay. In the second line, you put red.
Finish.
Wow, great. Is everybody finished?
Yes. Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure? Are you
Finish.
sure? All right. So if you're okay, I can still see somebody writing. For him.
Finish. ภาษาตอนเย็นไปเล่นสเก็ตไหมไปใช่ไหมเราว่าเราจะไม่ได้ไปอ่ะเดี๋ยวขอไปวันเสาร์ได้
Everybody finish?
ว่างวัน
Okay, so let's go to workbook. Get your workbook, kids. And open it to page 60.
No, finish. No,
64.
finish. No, finish. No, finish. No, finish. No, finish.
อายุเท่าไหร่แล้วมี
No, finish. No, finish.
วิ
No,
นาทีเท่าไหร่
Okay, let's wait for Prod.
วินิด
Prod, finish.
Finish.
no
Book.
Kakapon, not yet finished.
yeah
Finish. Teacher, finish.
ไม่เจอที่นี่
Yes or no?
Prod, finish.
Yeah.
no finish no finish
Keep doing it.
no finish
One more minute, okay?
Finish.
no finish no finish no finish no finish
Finish.
โหก็รีบๆทำสิแค่หลังทำเอง
Alright, so let's go to the next part. Okay, get your workbook and open it to page 64. Oh no, 65 and yeah, only 65. Page 65. Ready?
no
Teacher.
แค่นั่ง
Yes.
เปลี่ยนหน้าแล้ว เปลี่ยนแล้ว
เป็นเล่นบอลอีกเล่นบอล
You have two Let's Go book, right? The other one.
Teacher หน้าที่เท่าไหร่
Page 65.
65
Andy looks tired here in this picture.
อุ๊ย
ลืมปิดไมค์ปะว่าไง
นี่ไงจะแล้ว Teacher Yes or no ทุกคนหน้าที่65
Ready? Okay, in this page, you're just going to trace the words. Since they're already written, you're just going to trace them. Like this or
ตา
better.
มเส้นปะ
Ah,
ก็ไหนปิดไมค์ด้วย
you're just going to trace it, okay?
ทุกคนหน้าที่65นะ65
เราก็รู้แล้วแต่ว่าวันไหนปิดไมค์ด้วย
โอเค
Okay. Let me know when you're finished in this part. What's your favorite color? Blue. What about you? I like green. Just trace the words.
finish finish
Good job. Is everybody finished?
No Finish Finish
Good job. Let's wait for the others.
no finish
Teacher finish Teacher เปิดไมค์ Teacher
Yes.
and finish
What?
Finish Finish
Yeah, let's wait for. Is everybody finished?
Dad.
Okay, so let's continue to the next part. This is the last part.
no finish
Okay, let's wait for Prod.
thank you
Prod, if Teacher Lance is asking if you're finished, just say no, not yet finished, okay? Not when I transfer the page already.
hello
Finish
Prod, finished?
no
Yes Teacher Write yes or no
What?
Letter A Write yes or no
Letter A?
Yes
Again? Can you show me? Can you show me?
Letter A, write yes or no.
Letter A, this one, letter A? This one?
Yes.
Yes, writing.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher, finish.
Finish, everybody? Okay, so let's go to the next part.
Finish.
Alright. So in this part, you're going to unscramble the sentences, the words to make a sentence, and then write it. And then after that, you're going to number which happens first. Number 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So this one, color favorite is what your. What are we going to write first? What word comes first?
It's like green.
Yes,
No. What word are we going to write first? Color favorite is what your.
Was
What? Say what? What? And then
was you wearing color?
what? Again what? And then
What
is.
your
Good job. Is.
this
Is.
color?
And then
What is
and then what is
your
your
color?
favorite? Good job. Color. Very good. And then what about the next sentence? About what you purple. Purple. Good job. And then
What
what?
you about
About
about you?
you. Good job. So what is your favorite color? Purple. What about you? So what is the number 1? B or C? What happens first? 1 or B or C? What is the number 1 sentence?
B1.
B is 1. Okay, very good. So you're going to write 1. And
One.
this one number
Two.
2. Very good. Is it easy?
no.
Not easy, okay. But I know you can do it.
Finish.
Oh, very fast. Good job. Good job.
No, finish. Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
No finish. No finish. No finish. No finish. Finish.
Not yet finished. Not yet finished.
Nhưng màอิ่มยังยังไม่อิ่มเลยหนูว่าแค่รู้ตัวชิชินเจ้าคุณปิดไมค์ฟินิชเจ้าคุณเปิดกล้องได้แล้วเหรอ
ไม่ใช่พี่คนตัวใหญ่พี่คนตัวเล็กคุณตัวเล็ก
พูดใส่หูฟังเหมือนกันเลย
Finish.
yes
Everybody finish?
yes
yes no finish
สอบานนี้อันนี้ดังหู
teacher no finish
yes and no finish
เราถ่ายไม่ให้ดูนะภาษา
แล้วก็แคปหน้าจอไว้แล้ว เราแคปหน้าจอไปแล้วนะโชคดี แต่เราไม่แคปหน้าจอแค่
แค่มาตรง
ไม่ต้องแคปหน้าจอก็ได้ ไม่ต้องแคปหน้าจอก็ได้
แค่นั้นเอาเสร็จแค่นั้นนะใกล้เสร็จแล้ว
Everybody finished?
Finish.
All right, let's go to your homework.
no finish no finish no finish no finish no finish
เรียนพูดโปรดแคปหน้าจอสิ
เออ
แคปหน้าจอยังไงอ่ะ
ใช้นิ้วเลือกที่ข้างบนอ่ะ
ไหนยังไม่เห็นมีเลยแคปหน้าจอยังไง
อยากเป็นเหรอพลังเมื่อไหร่จะไม่เป็นเหรอ
เล่นเป็น
ก็กดภาษากดองปูกดตะโกนอื่นๆแล้วก็
ของเราเวลาแคปหน้าจอกิ้ง
Pakapan finish?
Yes.
Okay. Why you didn't say finish?
Finish.
Okay, for your homework, please answer and take a picture of page 65 and send it to your line group, conversation 1/3. Today, we studied about the last unit, which is called animals. I hope that you learned from Teacher Lance today, and I also hope that you enjoyed this class. Bye, kids!
Goodbye, teacher. Tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. กันทุกคนบายภาษาบายเดี๋ยวเราค่อยโทรไปนะบาย teacher
บายที่เจอ